So modulus of a bar is a 2, modulus of b bar is a 3, modulus of 2 a bar minus b bar equal to 5. Then modulus of 2 a bar plus b bar is equal to what here? 4 options here. So we know that the formula a bar plus b bar whole square plus modulus of a bar minus b bar whole square is equal to 2 times modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square. Okay, this is the formula. Therefore, using this result, you can write as a 2 into a bar plus b bar whole square plus modulus of 2a bar minus of b bar whole square is equal to 2 into k. 2 is that. So 4 into modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square. Okay. Then here we have to put this value. So write this one as it is. 2 into a bar plus b bar whole square plus. Here this value is of 5. So 5 square is equal to 2 into. Here this value is 2 here. So 4 into 2 square. Then plus this value is 3 here. So it is 3 square here. Therefore modulus of 2a bar plus b bar whole square is equal to. Here 2 squares of 4. 4 fours are 16 and this is 9 here. 16 plus 9 25. 25 twos are 50 here. 5 squares are 25. Take 25 right hand side here. Minus of 25 here. Therefore 50 minus 25 is 25. Take square right hand side here. Modulus of 2a bar plus b bar is equal to root of 25 is equal to 5. Therefore C is the answer here. If a bar dot b bar equal to 0 and a bar plus b bar makes an angle of 60 degree with b bar, then the modulus of a bar is equal to what here? So therefore here you know this formula, dot product a bar dot of b bar is equal to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos of theta. Theta is the angle between a bar and b bar here. Yes sir, here they given a bar plus b bar makes an angle of 60 degree with the b bar here. Therefore using that formula a bar plus b bar dot of b bar is equal to modulus of a bar plus b bar into modulus of b bar into cos of 60 degree. They already given here. Angle between a bar plus b bar and b bar is a 60 degree. Take this b bar inside here. A bar dot b bar. A bar dot of b bar plus b bar dot b bar here. So b bar dot of b bar is equal to modulus of a bar plus b bar into modulus of b bar into cos 60 degree value is 1 divided by 2 here. Here they already given a bar dot b bar is a 0 here. So this becomes a 0 and a plus. And the property of dot product here, b bar dot b bar is modulus of b bar square is equal to modulus of a bar plus b bar into modulus of b bar into 1 divided by 10. Here modulus of b bar and 1 time modulus of b bar get cancels here. Hence modulus of b bar is equal to modulus of a bar plus b bar into 1 by 2. Take it to this side here. 2 into. Okay. Modulus of b bar, 1 time modulus of b bar cancels. take it to this side here. 2 into modulus of b bar equal to this one here. Squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. So we get 4 into modulus of b bar square is equal to, and this square here. Modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square plus 2 into a bar dot of b bar here. Here a bar dot b bar is 0, hence this becomes a 0 here. And take this term left side here. So 4 times modulus of b bar square minus of modulus of b bar square is equal to modulus of a bar square here, because here a bar dot b bar is 0. This becomes a 0. Take this one left side here. Now this minus this gives a 3 into modulus of b bar square is equal to modulus of a bar square. Take a square this side here. Root of this means root 3 into square, this square cancels up. So modulus of b bar is equal to modulus of a bar. So modulus of a bar is equal to root 3 into modulus of b bar. So fifth one is correct. The angle subtended at the point of 1, 2, 3 by the points P, 2, 4 point Q, 3, 3, 1 here. Therefore, here 3 points are there. Consider this point as a P, this one as a Q, and this one as a A. Coordinate of P is a 2, 4, 5 here. 2, 4, 5. Q is a 3, 3, 1. 3, 3, 1 here, and coordinate of A is 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Here we want this angle here. Okay. Therefore, first to find here position vectors here, then find AQ and AP. Therefore, the vector AQ is equal to OQ minus of OE here. OQ minus Y means direct subtract here. 3 minus 1 here. 3 minus 1. Then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 here. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3, that is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 here. 3 minus 2 gives 1, and 1 minus 3 is minus of 2 here. Okay. Therefore, you can write this one in this form here. 2I plus Z minus 2K. So similarly, actually here AP, find here AP. Here AP is equal to OP minus OE. That is equal to, so 2 minus 1 here. 2 minus 1. Then 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 here. Then 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3. 2 minus 1 is 1 here. 4 minus 2 gives 2. 5 minus 3 gives 2 here. Hence it is I plus 2Z plus 2K. Then angle between the two vectors here. Cos of theta is equal to AP dot of AQ divided by modulus of AP into modulus of AQ. Okay, you are using this formula. Cos of theta is equal to A bar dot of B bar sorry, A bar dot B bar upon modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar here. Therefore, AP dot of AQ means it's a dot product here. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 2 here divided by modulus of AP. So root of so 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square here. Then root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square here. So this is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 here. 2 plus 2 becomes a 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 becomes a 0. So cos theta is equal to 0, therefore obviously theta is equal to 90 degree. First option is correct. If a bar and b bar are unit vectors such that a bar plus b bar is also a unit vector, then angle between a bar and b bar is what here? Okay. So here they given modulus of a bar is 1 here, modulus of b bar is 1, and the modulus of a bar plus b bar is also 1 here. So using the formula modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sin of theta is equal to 1 here. So this is 1 here, 1 into sin theta is equal to 1 here. Hence sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore theta is equal to pi divided by 2. Therefore C is the answer here. If modulus of a bar dot b bar is 3, modulus of a bar plus b bar is 4, then the angle between a bar and b bar is what here? Therefore here modulus of a bar cross of b bar divided by modulus of a bar dot of b bar is equal to 4 upon 3, 4 by 3. Modulus of a bar plus b bar is the modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sin of theta divided by a bar dot b bar modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos of theta is equal to 4 upon 3. Here this term get cancels here. Sin by cos is a tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 4 divided by 3. Here answer in terms of cos here. Hence if you draw the triangle here, this angle theta, then this right angle here, then tan is opposite divided by adjacent side here, 4 and it is 3, then obviously hypotenuse is 5 here. Therefore from that triangle here, cos of theta 3 by 5. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 3 divided by 5. Cos inverse 3 by 5, B answer. So a vector perpendicular to the plane containing the points A, B and C here. So you know that suppose this is a plane here. Okay. Then 3 points are there. Take this point as A, B and C here. Then the vectors AB and AC here. Here we want a vector perpendicular to the plane means this vector. So this is a vector here perpendicular to both AB as well as AC. Means that vector perpendicular to the plane containing ABC here. Here this vector is given by AB cross of AC here. Okay. And you know that AB, the vector AB is equal to what here? OB minus OA. And vector AC is equal to OC minus of OA. Therefore AB cross AC here, AB cross of AC is equal to determinant of I, J and K here. Then AB is what here? OB minus OA. So OB minus OA is 2 minus 1 here. 2 minus 1. 0 minus of minus 1. 0 minus of minus 1. minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Then AC OC minus OE. So 0 minus 1 here. 0 minus 1. 2 minus of minus 1. 2 minus of minus 1 here. And 1 minus 2. So right here 1 minus 2. Therefore this is equal to determinant of I j k. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus of minus become plus 1 here. Minus 3. Then it is a minus of 1. 2 plus 1 becomes a 3 here. 1 minus 2 is a minus of 1 here. Then expand it here. So I into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus of minus 3 into 3 minus 9 minus minus plus 9 here. Minus j into 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 minus of minus 1 into minus 3 is a plus 3 here. Plus k into 1 into 3 becomes a 3 minus minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1 minus minus plus 1 here. 9 minus 1 is a 8i minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus minus plus here plus 4j 3 plus 1 becomes a 4 plus 4k 8i plus 4j plus 4k. So B answer here.